Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of MagSafe wallets with a closer look at the Sinjimoru MB Grip. Spoiler alert! It's the best MagSafe wallet with grip you can find in the market. Alright, folks, let's jump straight into it. What makes the Sinjimoru MB Grip stand out from the crowd? Well, for starters, it's not just a regular MagSafe wallet. It's a 3-in-1 powerhouse that combines the functionality of a card holder, phone grip, and kickstand, all in one sleek package. Now, let's talk about the design. The MB Grip boasts a sleek and minimalist design that seamlessly attaches to your iPhone 12, 13, 14, or 15 series using MagSafe technology. But it's not just about looks. This wallet is built to last. Constructed with durable polycarbonate and featuring a powerful magnetic force, it ensures your cards stay securely in place, no matter what. One of my favorite features of the MB Grip is its versatility. Need to quickly access your cards? No problem. Simply flip open the magnetic flap and retrieve your cards with ease. Plus, with its silicone pad for extra adhesion, you can trust that your cards will stay put, even on the bumpiest of rides. But wait, there's more. The MB Grip also doubles up as a convenient phone grip, allowing you to get a firm hold on your device while texting, scrolling, or taking photos. And when it's time to kick back and watch some videos, just flip out the integrated kickstand for hands-free viewing in landscape mode. How cool is that? Now, let's address the elephant in the room: compatibility. The MB Grip is specifically designed for use with MagSafe cases, ensuring a perfect fit every time. So, if you're rocking a non-MagSafe case, you might want to look elsewhere. But for all you MagSafe users out there, this wallet is an absolute game-changer. Wrapping up, the Sinjimoru MB Grip is not just a MagSafe wallet. It's a multitasking marvel that combines style, functionality, and durability into one sleek package. Whether you're looking for a secure way to carry your cards or a convenient phone grip and kickstand, this wallet has got you covered. And there you have it, folks. The Sinjimoru MB Grip, the best MagSafe wallet with grip on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Until next time, happy shopping!